Hello, my friends. Happy Wednesday to all of you. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and many other Senate Democrats are now meeting with President Biden to push for more stimulus funding. The next round of stimulus checks could be automatically deposited into bank accounts starting next month. So, dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for more details on the fourth stimulus package. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 times a week. If you're interested in entering the giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the more likely your chance of winning.
For 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I thank the gentlewoman from Texas for yielding on this very, very important topic. Mr. Speaker, families across this country are desperate for help. Babies are going hungry, mothers and fathers are faced with empty shelves, and there is no formula to be found. As a mother, this is heartbreaking. As a Congresswoman, this is unacceptable. And this is why I will be offering a motion to recommit this bill in just a few moments. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, 67% of children rely on infant formula for some portion of their nutrition by the time they're 3 months old. One of my children had to have formula. That's 2.7 million babies that need formula their parents cannot find on the shelves in their local supermarket or anywhere for that matter. We need to address this supply chain crisis right now. Our families deserve solutions. The Biden administration ignored the warning signs that a formula shortage was imminent, sitting on their hands until the shelves were bare. Their incompetence underscores the need for funding to come with guardrails and accountability for the FDA's failures. Throwing additional money at a problem is the wrong approach. American families need a plan to fix this crisis and to get that baby formula back on store shelves. And they don't need us spending more of their hard-earned money to do it. So my amendment would redirect a targeted amount of unused pandemic funds to address the baby formula shortage. It would use $5.75 million.
All right, my friends. So now that this year's tax filing season is behind us, it is possible that some Americans who were once eligible for direct payments may not continue to be. That is if Congress signs off on additional relief. A growing number of Democratic lawmakers are calling for President Biden to back recurring stimulus checks in future legislation. Details about amounts or eligibility are currently being negotiated on right now. But given how negotiations transpired in the past, additional direct payments may have to be targeted for low to middle income households. Future payments would also likely be based on a person's most recent tax return, which for many is their 2020 return, not their 2019, as was the case for many in the first 3 rounds of payments. That means if people saw an increase in their income in 2020, that puts them outside of an income cap. They would not receive a new payment, or at least not a full one. So far, President Biden has received 3 letters from many Democratic lawmakers calling for another round of direct payments. Many Democrats have advocated for not just one more check, but multiple ones until the economy rebounds. Democratic Representative Ilhan Omar, who had written a letter, which was signed by more than 50 of her colleagues, has called for monthly payments of $2,000. That letter said, payments should continue until the economy recovers and should be equal for adults and dependents. 2 other letters signed by Democrats in the Senate and on the House Ways and Means Committee have urged President Biden to tie relief to economic conditions. So if Congress were to pass a method of doling out relief known as automatic stabilizers, it would agree on what circumstances warranted that relief. Congress could enact legislation that would kickstart direct payments to certain individuals. Whenever employment dropped by a certain level, payments would then continue until employment rose, at which point they would be automatically halted. So, my friends, Should stimulus checks go out on a monthly basis to financially struggling Americans? Please let me know what you think about automatic stabilizers. Here is some breaking news on President Biden's next executive order. Democratic Senator Raphael Warnock said today that he will be meeting with President Biden to push for student loan debt forgiveness that will be enough to actually make a difference. Senator Warnock told The Hill, "I'm meeting with the president later today, and I'm going to push him on this issue. Everywhere I go in Georgia, students and families talk to me about the crush of student debt. I'm focused on providing relief for families that are feeling the pressure." Warnock's comments come after Politico reported last week that he, along with Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and Senate Democrat Elizabeth Warren, had reached out to the White House in regards to the matter, following reports that it was considering using executive action to approve at least $10,000 in forgiveness per borrower. Senator Warnock also said that Senators Warren and Chuck Schumer will also be in attendance at the meeting. During this meeting, the lawmakers will continue to push President Biden to hold off temporarily on any potential action on student loans and to push for more significant action. When asked about this meeting, Senator Warren said, "I'm urging the White House to cancel $50,000 in student loan debt because it gives the greatest return for the most folks who struggle." She also added that it is an issue about what kind of America we want to build. So far, Biden supported canceling at least $10,000 in federal student loan debt per borrower during his 2020 presidential campaign, though many in his party have called him to wipe out the debt entirely. According to the Washington Post, the White House has also been looking at applying limits to borrowers eligible for potential forgiveness by income, as many Republicans have made it very clear that they oppose the forgiveness. Republicans have argued that it is unfair and will be an extra burden to taxpayers. So, my friends, do you think that President Biden should take action on student loan debt forgiveness? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Remember, friends, I'll be giving away Walmart gift cards every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. The winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway is Lisa de Oliveira. Congratulations, my friend. Please note if I have announced you as a winner, do check your notifications page to see the details on how to claim your gift card. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.